Right, this is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Sekhukhune United 0. My sister, how are you?
I'm very fine, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good, thanks. We're taking on the game tonight.
Why you blush?
Yeah, you keep like a blush every day. Game here today, ne? Second half. I guess you're going to get away. Or never share tatana.
One of the two.
One of the two. Mara don't need some.
Yeah.
Second half. Or don't need some second half. I don't know.
It's a height, yeah.
Tweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't need some second half. Learn early. It's just
Spirit, yeah.
less unfortunate. How it's like I'm worried. It's Renyakan cutting. All we needed nearly Golunya and A1. You're A1 Lisang Lisang magazine.
Yeah.
But amongst that particular thing, yes, I think fielding it's fine. We have won. The victory is ours.
Yeah. So are you going to beat Kaizer Chiefs or maybe?
No, I
worried?
must beat Kaizer Chiefs.
You're not sure yet. No?
It has nothing to do with show or no showness. I must beat Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Nkaja get team so
Not
16 15
yeah, they are all
e cannot better mara e sing le cause
And 6 times in a row.
e sing le cause 6 times ke fetsa bolela o skanka
Oh, okay, askis.
skanka
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Hence very big team, number one supporter and
Yeah.
and yes, I understand that certain scenario
Yes.
Le rena re kana ba re 57 by 58 ka nna
Yeah.
re 58 ka damana as nangere re 58 59
58 is in.
59 ka wena le bagani ya little and re 50 re 60 ka wena le cause utlile unyakang
Because kids of Sekhukhune.
yeah mara se salang se disappointile so re 60 ka
You were
wena
lucky.
as from today re 60 ka wena I don't care ne yes and then the winning team, it has nothing to do with the capacity. It's about how the boys play, whether they're playing good or they're playing bad, who has got in, who has got out, the first half, the second half, the substitute, and so on and so on. So what I'm asking Gori, yes, they might have been the biggest fans and the biggest supporters, and Lerna we might have been less, but we are winning. At the end of the day, we are winning. So let's get discouraged because right now we have less supporters also.
You're winning.
So God knows. I can't cut off interview or say how.
Continue.
Yes, we might be less of God knows how, but then we are dominating. In the winning games. So at least Lebona have a couple of that supporting system. Lebona abara support. Believe you me, the so-called Amakosi and the Buccaneers, while I will be playing the World Cup, they will be praying for my lose. Those are the two people kids in worry. They will be praying for my lose.
Do you think?
I don't know how. When I won the first star, I think it was 2014.
2017.
Yes, 2016. Somewhere there. I keep good carry numbers. Those were the angry supporters. While I was playing in Africa, I was not there who bona that whole thing, but I've notices. They were praying or lose. While I'm representing for the whole South Africa.
Just to interject there, when Kaizer Chiefs was playing Al Ahly, Sundowns supporters were supporting Al Ahly.
Never.
Yeah, no. Even maybe if it's not you, if it's not or any other.
Where I was watching it.
No, we were not together. If you can remember, it was during COVID. There were no supporters allowed. Where I was.
Now where I was watching it, we were supporting it. When Buccaneers playing Africa, we are supporting it. Remember, okay, Kito bring up something. Sorry, my people, I'm very slow when I speak. I'm going to bring up something that happens recently. We were playing Lesotho, and then we won. And then, gate ke PhD, ne? And then instead of analyzing the Lesotho game, then he attempted Alata Masandawana, ne? So le nna ke tlo boela gona go gore o entseng. There was no need.
Yeah, remember, everyone only freedom of speech.
Exactly.
And then if you want, like we won't be the same.
Just like I am saying now, this is my freedom of speech.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
But then there's no need. Remember, South Africa is Toma, the starting lineup.
Yeah.
Never beat some Mamelodi Sundowns because there were more players in the squad than any other team. And then they won. Then they shut up the whole South Africa. Batula. Ne? But then they were calling it Mamelodi South Africa. Because they were discouraging us or unfortunately.
But you don't have to be discouraged. You must be proud of your team that they are dominating. You understand? You don't have to be worried.
I am not worried. I'm just being analytic. I'm just being analytic. Randomly in South Africa, instead of us supporting each other. So
it won't happen because of that's how it is.
It's far from over.
Exactly.
It's far from over.
That's a division.